I've been on clinical work all morning, and I'm starving. How am I supposed to care for patients like this? My legs are tired, my brain is fired! I feel alive! I can save patients, run reports, and survive nursing school! Oh, hey there! Ever thought a simple apple could be your superhero? Every crunch unleashes tiny chemical heroes. Glucose consuming for energy, vitamins sparking your brain, and proteins building your muscles. One bite, and suddenly, you're unstoppable. That's biochemistry and nutrition in action. Now let's explore a fascinating topic at the crossroads of biochemistry and nutrition, guided by our student nurses every step of the way. Let's go! Quick questions for all of you. What do you think happens when you eat a meal? Nani? The food we intake doesn't just sit there. It breaks down into essential nutrients just like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins.
These nutrients then enter biochemical pathways working behind the scenes to power energy production, strengthen your immune system, and keep every part of your body running smoothly.
That's an interesting start. But let's step back a little. How do we actually define nutrition? And what exactly are nutrients?
Nutrition is the science of how our body takes in and uses food for growth, repair, and energy. And nutrients? They're the building blocks, like carbohydrates for fuel, proteins for structure, fats for storage and protection, plus vitamins and minerals to regulate all those vital processes.
So where does biochemistry step in, especially in nursing care?
According to Kumar, biochemistry is the study of chemical processes in living things. For nurses, this knowledge turns complex science into practical care. It helps us understand how diseases develop, how medicines act, and how the body reacts to treatments.
And now, let's start with carbohydrates. They may look simple, like rice and fruits on a plate, but once eaten, they break down into glucose, the body's quick source of fuel. This glucose gives instant energy to both the brain and the muscles, helping the body stay active and alert. For nurses, this means guiding patients to manage their energy, like checking blood sugar, planning meals, and making sure recovery never runs out of fuel.
Now, let's move on to proteins. Proteins are the body's building blocks. They repair tissues, build muscles, and support important processes like enzymes and hormones. For nurses, proteins mean supporting healing and strength. This includes planning high-protein meals for recovery and monitoring patients to ensure their bodies have what they need to rebuild.
Next, let's talk about fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy. They also protect organs, insulate the body, and help absorb vitamins. For nurses, fats reminds us that not all fats are harmful. Teaching patients about the sources of healthy fats and balancing their intake is essential for recovery and long-term health.
Now, let's talk about water. Water makes up most of the body. It carries nutrients, removes waste, keeps temperature stable, and helps every cell function properly. For nurses, water is one of the simplest but most important parts of care, reminding patients to stay hydrated, prevents complications, and supports faster healing.
Let's move on to minerals. Minerals keep the body running. They build strong bones and teeth, help carry oxygen in the blood and keep the heart and muscles working properly. For nurses, minerals mean checking for deficiencies, planning balanced meals, and making sure patients get the nutrients they need to recover and stay healthy.
Finally, let's talk about vitamins. Vitamins may be small in amount, but they play powerful roles in the body. They strengthen the immune system, keep skin and eyes healthy, and help the body use nutrients properly.
As we've seen, nutrients fuel biochemical processes essential for health and nursing care. Every meal is a chemical reaction waiting to happen.
For nurses, understanding this means supporting healing from the inside out. But balance is the key. Too much food can lead to obesity. Large amounts of certain nutrients may cause harmful effects or toxicity. And not consuming enough can result in nutritional deficiency disorders.
With the right knowledge of biochemistry and nutrition, nurses turn every meal into medicine, every recovery into strength, and every life into hope.
Nourish the body, nurture the patients. Biochemistry lights the way in nursing care.